Okay. So putting into all. Now we are discussing atoms. So already we completed what is the introduction about atom related to J.J. Thomson model of atom. Another one, Rutherford nuclear model of atom, alpha particle scattering. And Rutherford alpha particle scattering conclusion. Another one, demerits also we discussed. Next one, alpha particle trajectory, that is the impact parameter, the B formula. Next, electron orbit. The electron orbit derivation part, that Fe is Fe equal to Fc. Fe means the force of electrostatics. It is equal to the force of the centripetal force. The final equation, kinetic energy equation, potential formula, total energy formula, atomic spectra. Next is spectral series, Lyman, Ballman, Paschen, Brocket, and the P-form. These are all the things we discussed now. This is the formulas. Okay, we can use in this formula directly for the problems. Okay, remaining things we'll discuss upcoming class. Now, based on that, we'll discuss the problems. First, we'll discuss the properties of alpha particle, beta particle, gamma particle. For alpha, beta, gamma, so this is a radioactive element. So what is radioactive elements? Any idea about it? Radioactive element.
It emits radiation.
It will emit the radiation now. Okay, in this radiation, we can use for the medical purpose and defense. Next, generation of power, different areas. So few things very important related to alpha, beta, gamma. First one, what is alpha? So alpha means it is the equal to helium. You know very well helium. What is the atomic number of helium?
Two.
But now my voice is audible. It is clear.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Now my voice is clear. It is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So alpha, beta, gamma. First one, identification of alpha. So alpha means it is equal to helium. So atomic number of helium is 2, mass number 4. How to measure the atomic number, mass number? What is atomic number? What is mass number? What is atomic number? How to measure the atomic number? For example, carbon.
Or mass.
You know very well, carbon atomic number is 6.
6.
Carbon atomic number 6. Then mass number 12. So very simple. The measurement of, so how to calculate the atomic number. So atomic number means the number of proton or number of electrons. Proton 6. Otherwise, electron, number of proton or number of electron. So it is the atomic number. So kindly remember, any atom inside nucleus, it is a nucleus consists of proton plus neutron. In outer electron, it is there. So electron is revolving around the nucleus, proton plus neutron. So now proton value 6, neutron value also 6. So 6 plus 6 means that is a 12. So finding the mass number, the sum of proton and neutron. Sum of proton and neutron. So it is called as mass number. Number of proton or number of electron. It is called as atomic number. So based on that we will discuss. So helium. So helium means He. It is 2 to 4. So atomic number 2, mass number 4. So next one, beta. So beta means it is a fast moving electrons. The value of beta E. 1 minute, I will zoom. The value of beta E0 minus 1. E0 minus 1. Next one, gamma. Gamma means it is only for the radiation, electromagnetic radiation. There is no mass number, there is no atomic number. See here, the gamma, power 0 and down also 0. So atomic number also 0, mass number also 0. So gamma only for the radiation. It will emit only radiation. Okay. First point, did you understand? First one, identification of alpha, beta, gamma. So alpha means it is equal to helium. Beta means it is the electron. E0 minus 1. Next one, gamma. It is the electromagnetic radiation. There is no mass number. There is no atomic number. Okay. First one we completed. Next one, charge. So charge. So alpha, it is equal to positive, equal to twice the electron. The charge of alpha particle, that is a positive. The charge of beta particle, that is a negative. Next one, gamma. There is no charge. It is not a plus, this is not a minus, because it is neutral. Only for radiation. That is the second point. Third one, the mass. See here, already just now we discussed it. The mass number is 4. See that is a 4. 4U means atomic mass unit. That is a rest mass. Next one, the beta. So mass of the beta is equal to electron value, mass of the electron. Next one, gamma. See that there is no mass. So it is a 0 mass. Third point completed. Fourth one, the speed of the alpha particle, beta particle, gamma particle. Listen. The speed starts from 1.4 into 10 power 7 to 2.05 into 10 power 7 meter per second. So that is the speed of the alpha ray. Okay, alpha ray or alpha particle both also same. Alpha particle. It is approximately equal to 0.1 c. C means it is the speed of light in vacuum. Next one beta. It is a 0.33 to 0.99 c. Third one gamma. It is equal to speed of light 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Because we know very well the electromagnetic radiation. So light is one of the electromagnetic wave. That is the fourth point. Next one deflection. First answer we know the deflection. This is the positive. The alpha particle is the positive. So deflected by the electric and the magnetic field. Both also it will affect. In case this is electric field is negative electric field means this is a positive. It will attract each other. In case the electric field is positive means it is repel each other. So deflection also there. Deflected by electron as well as magnetic field. So it is very important point. Deflected by electronic and magnetic field. And beta also deflected by electric and magnetic field. Okay, did you understand this is negative mark? The beta ray is a negative. I'm sending the electric field. So electric field is a positive. So negative and the positive means attract each other. In case electric field is negative. So negative and the negative means repel each other. Magnetic field also is applicable. Same thing. So alpha and beta both also deflected by electric field as well as magnetic field. Third one, gamma. There is no deflection by the electric and the magnetic field. Why? Because of there is no charge. There is no positive charge, there is no negative charge. So no charge means it is not affected by electric field as well as magnetic field. So very important key point is noting. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Up to that, up to deflection, if you have doubt, you can ask. Any doubt? Did you understand? Say yes or no. Everyone, give me reply through the chat box. Yeah, Mukesh, very good. Priyanka, Witness, Akash, yes. Shiva Varshini, very good. Gautam, yes. Abarna. Balasunil, very good. Prasanna Kumar, good. Okay. Next. Next one, penetration range. So what's a penetration range means? That power stopped by the sheet of paper. So penetration, that is a range. So the alpha particle, beta, gamma, what is the range? That is only penetration range. Stopped by the sheet of the paper, several millimeter in the plastic, very large can be penetrated through the several centimeter in the lead. Few centimeter in air, several meter in air, beta, alpha, beta, gamma, the radiation range. That is the next point. Next one, fluorescence. Fluorescence means how to detect. So this is alpha particle, this is beta particle, this is gamma. How to detect? So using the fluorescence. Fluorescence means that is a screen. You know very well that alpha particle scattering experiment we used for the ZNS screen. Anybody remember? In alpha particle scattering experiment, we can detect using the fluorescence, that also ZNS screen, zinc sulfate screen. For detecting purpose, we are using for fluorescence for the alpha ZNS. Next one, beta, that is a Wilmich and barium, the tone AC. அடுத்து will be different type of screen, but maximum we are using for ZNS, zinc sulfate screen for the fluorescent purpose. Next one, the effect on photographic plate. So what is the effect on photographic plate? The photographic plate, it is the maximum, it is a moderate, it is minimum. So only we are using for alpha particle for the photographic plate. Absorption. Absorption means for your see here, benzene. This is benzene now. So in the structure and all, we can detect. So using some radiation. Next, ionization power. It is a large of mass, highly ionization, less than alpha rays. Next, small ionization power. Okay, please note all the points. Take a notes.